In this episode, I'm going to show you step by step how we installed this IKEA Felsisk dining room light fixture. Let's dive in. Always make sure the power is off, either at the light switch or the breaker or both. Step 1, remove the old fixture. The Felsisk comes with a light fixture mount. Attach the mount to the existing electrical box. It is recommended that you hang the light fixture a minimum of 36 inches from the tabletop. We set one ruler at 36 inches from the table and measured how far from the ceiling the light fixture needed to hang. I also had to trim some of the excess wire to get it into the fixture. Bonus tip, we used a number of boxes to hold the fixture in place while I did the wiring. Attach black to black and white to white and ground to ground. Once wiring is complete, install one bulb and test your connections. Once everything's okay, you're ready to hang the fixture. The Felsisk dining room light fixtures does not come with light bulbs. Those are sold separately. Once the light fixture is hung, check it for level. You can adjust it by loosening the two plastic collars and pushing or pulling the wire. For more step-by-step instructions on IKEA products, click the image on your screen now.